Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. This is Shelby. Today we're going to be checking out this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. If you have any questions, make sure to call us or email us at any time. Let's not waste any more time. Let's check this beauty out. As we look across the front, you can see that this is an RS-SS Camaro. The Rally Sport hidden headlights are working, and we can look down the side and see that the body is aero straight. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that the stainless is stunning and that the gaps are even and symmetrical. Let's check out the inside. This 69 has the deluxe interior with bucket seats and console. Looking at the dash, you can see that it's like new and has the working touch in the dash. This Camaro also has the console gauges, which are working, and as we come around, we can see that it has the houndstooth seat covers. It also has a new black boot for when the top is down. Now that we checked out that lovely interior, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. And as we make our way around the back, we can see that the bumper is in amazing condition. This 69 is done in the Rally Red vase clear coat that's accented by the black SS stripes. The paint has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine with a mirror finish. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so we can check out the stance on this lovely vehicle. It's sitting in a set of 15-inch Super Sport wheels with Firestone wide oval tires. Come on up and let's take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. It's powered by the 350 V8 engine that's set up with the Snowflake intake and the Quadrajet carburetor. It's dressed with the factory-style air covers and finned valve covers. This 69 has power steering along with power brakes. For exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and Flowmaster mufflers. The 350 is mated to the 350 Turbo Trans with the 12-bolt Posey rear end with the 3.55 gears. All of the floors and frame look to be rock solid and in excellent condition. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and checking out this beautiful Camaro with me. If you have any questions, make sure to shoot us an email or call us at any time.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.